Hey, welcome back. On today's episode, we're going to be working on, we're not going to be working on anything because this book is already done. Again, when I recorded this, I wasn't planning on using this footage for anything other than just practice, and I only recorded page 22 to the end. This is going to be a two-part video. We're going to start with page 22 to 26. Alright, let's begin. the end. I hope you guys enjoyed watching how I made these pages. I wish again I had recorded from the very beginning, but again, I didn't even think I would even be doing this. Keep an eye out for the second part of this video. I'll release it as soon as I get done making it, of course. Speaking of making, I need to go ahead and start working on the second book of What Is With Liz. I was thinking for that one, I have been meaning to make 2 videos per week, and I was thinking it would be good practice to start with the book, the second book, and seeing if I can release it every like Sunday as I complete a page, of course. And of course I'll still be releasing on Wednesday, so that'll give us two shows. But anyways, that's until later on. I haven't even started working on the second one. You know, I got some ideas. If you want to go ahead and get the book, check out the links provided in the show more option below. But anyways, I'll see you guys again next time. Until then, peace out.